my name is Jonas Rey. I'm the CEO of Athena Intelligence. We are a specialized corporate intelligence company with a large focus on trade finance. I'm at this conference because it's in Geneva first, so it's great for me, it's next door. And because it's always good to connect with peers from the industry and to meet new people. In the trade finance and commodity market, we see a lot of multiple financing of transactions. Of course, it's one of the basic fraud that, it's perhaps the oldest one in the industry, but it's the one that sticks the longest. So multiple financing on invoices, documentation falsification. We also see sometimes thefts, although that has reduced. And then the usual internal fraud that we have seen sometimes with traders is embezzlement or other issues that have happened in the last few years. I think in general it has reduced because banks, insurance, market participants and traders have developed better control, better processes to detect those frauds early on. So perhaps we haven't seen a very large fraud as a result of that. And in general, I think market conditions have been slightly better until perhaps now for the traders, and as a result, usually that's not when we see fraud. We are not a data analytics company at all. We are actually a good old school investigation firm where we pick up the phone, we talk to people, we go on the ground, we look at things, we visit sites. Just your old school investigation / corporate intelligence company. And I'm a bit frustrated with the crave for data analytics left and right, because one of the fundamental issues that we see is the data being of low quality or being corrupted. And if some market participant wants to poison the data that is being used by a data analytics tool, it's only too easy now. So it's great that you have new system in place, that there is new tech that is being developed. But I think if the data is not verified and of high quality, the tools will become and will be useless, because it will not be able to detect fraud from that perspective. It will only be able to say that, yeah, sure, we looked at this documentation and it matches perhaps where the ship has been, but it doesn't tell us, okay, does the company really exist? Does the subjacent trade really exist? And have the goods been picked up by the legitimate party? Yeah, of course, and I think we have this every 2-3 years. There was a new tech. First we had blockchain and EBL, we're going to save the industry tomorrow. Now we have AI, and for sure, you have systems that are helping. Although to have the whole industry adopt this new tool we're not there yet. Perhaps in 5 to 10 years, yeah. I don't know, the jury is still out, but right now it's not the holy grail that we were promised it is. Yeah. And usually, if people want to cheat the system, they would find a way. Whether you have the most amazing blockchain out there or not, that will not change. So yeah, I think we need to keep our eyes open, and we need to make sure that we're not fooled by poor data and by fraudster all around. I think fraud is cyclical to some extent. A lot of these big cases have come out of the wood once we had a macro event. So the last time was COVID, with obviously tightening of credit line. And now we've had a few good years from a financing perspective, from a trade finance perspective. We haven't had really a macro shock that would essentially force the one that have been cheating the system to come out and to come out of the woodwork. So yeah, I think we are about to enter perhaps the new phase. If I don't know, the AI bubble explodes, will it have rippling effect on the financing of commodities? I have no idea. But if that were to be the case, I think we will start to see 1 or 2 fraud that will come out of this issue. It's when the tides go away that you see who is swimming naked, essentially. So I think we're about to find out.